This is delicious. Have you ever tried pickled pig ears? If no, just keep on watching. This is Antilliaan style pickled pig ears. They call it sult. And here is the procedure. We're going to rinse the pig ears, put it to boil with garlic, pimento seed, cloves, and bay leaf. This is a must-have at Christmas season or for New Year's. This is a tradition here in Curacao, and I believe those in Holland also do it. It's very delicious, guys, I can tell you that. So here I have red onion, white onion, pimento seed, bay leaf, and hot pepper. And I'm going to wash these, slice, so we get some nice chunky slice of onion. And we come back when we are going to do the other steps. Here I'm adding a small amount of water to my pot, just enough to cover the onion and stuff we cut earlier. And I'm going to allow the flame to stay on for a minute, after which I'll turn it out and cover and allow that to cool down. Moving along, here I have my pig ears completely cooked and rinsed. Now I'm going to cut these in strips and we set that aside until we complete our pickle. Here I'm adding the steamed onion that we did earlier, and I'm also going to add the water, and I'll allow that to cool down a little. Then we can add our vinegar, and I'm going to add enough vinegar to cover my pig ears. And we cover and allow that to marinate. Then we combine it with the pig ears. After combining the contents, cover the bowl, leave it on the counter, Best taste is after an hour, and it's best to use a glass bowl. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and guys, please excuse my morning voice. I had to get this video out. So here is my Antilliaan Hollandaise Sult. Do enjoy.